Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
Good morning, it's the Weather Xtreme video for Saturday, May 2nd, 2020. I'm Scott Martin. Very nice and getting warm for this weekend, but we'll look to cool back down just after midweek thanks to a cold front. The good news is that we may be free from severe weather this week. We'll get to that in just a moment. I am producing this video just after the midnight hour on very early Saturday morning, and temperatures as of the midnight roundup were in the upper 40s to the upper 50s. Auburn is the warm spot at 58 degrees, while the cool spot was Gadsden at 49 degrees. Birmingham was sitting at 57 degrees. Taking a look at the latest updates from the Storm Prediction Center, it shows that only two small areas where a marginal risk of severe storms will be possible over portions of Colorado, Kansas, Nebraska, and Wyoming, along with the northern tip of Texas for Saturday. There are three small areas where a marginal risk of severe storms are possible up in the Pacific Northwest, the Central Plains, and up into portions of Indiana, Ohio, and Pittsburgh. There are no severe weather risk on Monday. The latest rainfall projection from now through Friday night at 7 p.m. only has the potential of a trace to less than a quarter of an inch for the northern half of central Alabama, where the southern half is expected to stay dry. And taking a quick look at the CPC outlooks valid for May 7th through May 11th, our rainfall may be below normal to go along with our temperatures. Alrighty, model fans, let's dive into the forecast starting with the 0Z GFS valid today at 1 p.m. The trough that brought us the rain on Wednesday and cooler weather to end off this past work week will be pushing well off of the east coast, and a ridge will be pushing into the southeast from the west. Ridging usually means nice weather, and that is what we will get for your Saturday. Mainly clear skies with afternoon highs topping out in the lower to mid 80s across the area. A front will begin approaching the area from the northwest that will bring showers close by, but not close enough to spoil our great weather on Sunday. We may have a few more clouds, but skies are expected to stay mostly clear. Highs will be warmer, reaching the mid to upper 80s across the area. On Monday, the front will stall out over the Tennessee Valley, which may bring a shower or two over the northern half of central Alabama, but this looks to be a moisture-starved system. We are not expecting much at all. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds with highs reaching the mid-80s to the lower 90s. The front will finally get a push it needs to move through the area starting late on Tuesday night, and showers will be possible during the late night and overnight hours. Before that, skies will be mostly sunny to start, but those clouds will begin to move in during the late afternoon hours. Afternoon highs will be in the lower 80s to the lower 90s. The front will work its way through central Alabama during the morning hours on Wednesday, which will keep showers and maybe a clap of thunder or two in the forecast through the afternoon. Any shower activity will be exiting the area by the evening hours. Afternoon highs will be in the mid-70s to the lower 80s across the area. Much cooler and drier air can be expected on Thursday, as we'll have plenty of sunshine. Afternoon highs will top out in the lower 70s to the lower 80s across central Alabama. The GFS is painting a system moving through on Friday that will bring us showers and thunderstorms for much of the day. We'll have some instability over the southern half of the area, but at this point, it is just too early to see if a strong or severe storm will be possible. The European model is on board with a system moving through at roughly the same time frame on Friday, with no instability at all. Highs will be in the mid-70s to the lower 80s. That will wrap it up for today's Weather Xtreme video. We'll have notes on the blog throughout the day. Bill Murray will have the next video out on Sunday morning. I'm Scott Martin signing off for today. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.